Hello everybody, my name is Drew Dasher, and I am entering my 8th year teaching in my 3rd year here at Buford High School. I have an undergrad degree from Georgia Gwinnett College in mathematics, and then I have received my master's degree from Kennesaw State University in instructional technology, and I am one semester away of receiving my specialist degree from the University of West Georgia, also in instructional technology. In addition to my teaching duties here, I also help coach the football and the baseball team. Well, at home, I have my lovely wife, who is also a teacher, and then we have 2 small children, RJ and Camden, who will be 4 and 2 years old in the upcoming months. During the school year, I will be teaching coordinate algebra and foundations of algebra. Foundations of algebra is an intro math class that will help us build strong mathematic skills that will help us throughout our high school careers and in the future using mathematic properties and applications. Coordinate algebra is the step above that will take us into the next phase and allow us to get deeper and figure out more about mathematics. I look forward to seeing everybody at school and cannot wait to get this school year started. Have a great one.